This is John from Storm Stoppers. A common question with a front door that has a side light is, should the customer protect just the side light or should they do the overall opening? Here's our advice. Typically, an opening like this, you get a hard driving rain, it'll blow water under the door. So what a lot of customers do is mount one panel over the entire opening, and they would mount right here to the brick molding on three sides of the door and to the threshold at the bottom. Now you are wasting space, wasting panel on the door, but it gives you the additional benefit of sealing the opening, which a lot of our customers love.